Hi guys, it's Dave. So, as I was sitting here, um, contemplating about things, thinking lang, nag-iisip lang ako. I've just realized na buong 2025, I haven't got to upload a single video in my YouTube channel. And I could say that, wala talaga. I have projects lined up, but I haven't got to the point of producing it. And then, I'm just a person living. I could say that I've lived the past year um, having the biggest decisions in my life. Tapos, I tend to forget the platform that I have to tell you guys stories and showcase my talent as well. Pero I've been anywhere, no, from projects, from side quest that I've had to do. Maraming ganap na nangyari. And this year, I will now tell you guys that I'll be uploading 2 videos per month. It's a strict rule I have to put on myself for myself, discipline, and for the audience and the people that will be I'll be making this for too. I'm not about telling you guys this or that, but I'm gonna show you guys this or that. Yun lang. Have a great night, guys. This is a low effort video as well, but a step is always a step, and then it will follow until we get to the top of it. So I hope I make sense. I hope this is a video almost no one will have to see. But a quick heads up that I will be able to release the first video is of this year. Siguro mga next week I'll be uploading. So yeah. Um have a great night guys, and I'll see you guys around.